Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something that I think that a lot of wig wearers will really appreciate, especially those of you that are like Hairvivi advocates. I know a lot of people in the comments are always like, just get Hairvivi, just get Hairvivi. It's so easy, which it is. It's easy, it's fresh out of the box. You rarely have to do anything with it. But Hairvivi is always on top of the game, you guys. They are always coming out with things to help wig wearers get longevity out of their wigs. And what they have right now is a replaceable hairline. I know y'all probably like, what the heck? Because when they asked me about it, I was like, let me see. But it's a replaceable hairline for the front of your lace front units. So, you know, many factors can like go into destroying a lace front, including bleaching, over plucking, gluing down the lace too much. Sometimes you can rip it or pull it, or it gets really stretchy sometimes, and it can start to like wrinkle up. What else? Just a bunch of things that can happen to the front of a lace front. And if the back of your unit is fine and the hair in the back is fine, and you're spending $200, $300, $400 on a unit, I know many people do not want to throw the whole unit away just because a little bit in the front is messed up. I know me personally, I have over plucked so many units, and if I could just replace the part that I over plucked and keep the whole unit for $60, because I believe that's how much they go for. I was looking on their website and they ranged from like $57 to like $69 or something like that dollars, depending on which hairline you need for which unit, because they have different ones. But yeah, this one is specifically for my rain unit. It's layered and it has like the body waves to it so that it'll fit the unit and it'll look like a fresh unit, like I just got it. So rain right here, this is my favorite unit from Hairvivi. I think the first one I ever got from them was like 4 years ago, you guys. That's the first one I made because this is the unit I made for them. So she's a body wave unit, hella volume. She looks really flat right now, but when you curl her, she has nice volume to her. But yeah, this is my fourth one, okay? So I've given 2 away to you guys. I have the second one I ever got right here, and it is destroyed, you guys. And then this one is the 4th one that I wear constantly because they're just super easy, you know? So yeah, this is the second rain unit that I ever got from Hairvivi. I think it's the second one and not the first because it has the elastic band sewn in, and that's destroyed somehow. I don't know what I did, but it's like missing everything. But yeah, this was the first one. The lace is hard, it's crunchy. I have holes all up and through the front of this lace. It's over bleached, one, because this is before they were like completely doing the clean bleach. So it's over bleached and the lace is just hella crunchy, you guys. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but for me with certain wigs, especially if I like constantly glue them down, the front of the lace starts to roll. And no matter how hard I tie it down or tight I tie it down, still like the very tip of the lace curls up. So what I would normally do is I would just take some scissors and I would just remove the tiniest bit that was curled up, because it's literally, it's so small, but it's just annoying. This one is starting to do it a little bit. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the lace just at the tip, it starts to curl right here. So I think that replacing just the front hairline part is like, it's genius, y'all, because this is the part that always gets fucked up. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put the unit upside down on a wig head or on your knee, whatever you're going to use to fix it. And then they also send the thread that's the same color so it doesn't like stand out, and then some needles and some pins so that you can get this thing right. So after you have the unit in place, you want to go ahead and you just want to remove, look, it's already coming off. You want to remove the fake scalp. Super easy. Yeah, yeah. So this little separation right here is where you're going to be removing and replacing. The older wigs don't have this. So if you have an older wig like this one, if you guys could tell, it doesn't have this extra little line right here. So in order for you to be able to replace your hairline, you have to have one of their newer units, because this one, it doesn't have it unless you can figure out a way to like detach it and sew something right here. But yeah, so when you get the hairline piece, it has this little slither in the back that's blank. There's no hair on it. You want to take that and you want to line it up with this line right here. I'm sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind, my mind. My
focus, been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time, our time. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. 'Cause I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. Love you better, yeah, yeah. Love you better, oh, love you better, love you better, Lately I've been feeling some type of way. I'm losing my mind, my mind. I know saying sorry might not be enough. Just tell me how I can make things right. Things right. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight.
So just to be sure and to make sure it's not going to come out, I'm going to go ahead and knot it a few times, and then I'm going to go back the other way.
And I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will.
So now that we have it all sewn on, it should look something like this. And then when you flip it, you'll see the old hairline is still under here, right here. And then this is the new one. Okay, so I put it back on so you guys could see what it looks like. So you have the new hairline underneath and then the old one right here on top. See that? So I'm just pulling all the new frontal hair forward so I don't accidentally cut it. And now I can remove this. So now we have the old hairline, and then you should have the new one sewn in, and it should look something like this. Brand new wig. So I will show you guys the middle part right here so you can see where I did. This right here is the separation point. This is where I sewed it in. There is a little color discoloration just because it is like the fabric is doubled now because it has the other closure sewn on top of it. But other than that, I think if you sewed the fake scalp back in, which they do give you, like this one, there was nothing wrong with it, but they do give you another fake scalp in case you want to replace that as well. But I don't typically care for the fake scalp, so I'm not going to replace it, but I just wanted to show you guys what the little separation looks like in case anyone is wondering. So this is the separation. It just kind of creates kind of like a part, but it can easily be covered back up like that.
It was just a misunderstanding. You waited in the rain for hours, and I couldn't say the right things. No, I checked your number twice, then I went is all around, so baby, what's your hurry?
I did want to mention that I noticed that the parting is a little bit wider on the front of the new hairline than it is on the back of the old lace. So you do want to be careful for that. If anybody doesn't like wide parts, you may want to like get some either black eyeshadow or dark brown eyeshadow and fill it in.
You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Go down, love, seven. Go down, love, honey. Go down, love, baby. Go down, seven, give it love. Go down, love, seven. Go down, love, honey. Go down, love, baby. Go down, seven, give it love. And I want you to meet my parents. Yeah. Now I'm including you in my whole world. With you, I'm so transparent. You tear down every wall that I built up. Now I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Hold on, love, seven. Hold on, love, honey. Hold on, love, baby. Hold on, seven, give it love. Hold on, love, seven. Hold on, love, honey. Hold on, love, baby. Hold on, seven, give it love. Hold on, love, seven. Hold on, love, honey. Hold on, love, baby. Hold on, seven, give it love. Hold on, love, seven. Hold on, love, honey. Hold on, love, baby. Hold on, seven, give it love.
Okay guys, so I am all done and it looks like a brand new unit, like a brand new $400 unit. But it's not, it was only $60 to do this. So I will have everything down below in the description box, including coupon codes, direct links, and anything that you may need or anything that I use that you may need. Also, helpful videos will be down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next one.